I can't blame anyone else, it was my fault.
To know what happens when the world ends. At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful.
Craziest thing just happened to me. Sorry. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is officially not the start, but this is my introduction. I came back from Pilates like an hour 30 minutes ago, and then I was just chit-chatting and I had a very important email I had to send out. I did that, and then just a bit of work here and there, nothing serious. I've got like 2 videos to film today, makeup videos, makeup inspired videos, and then I just sat down relaxing, and I was about to go shower, and I was like, you know what, let me go shower, get ready for my makeup video that I want to film. I had my earphones on throughout this, but I wasn't listening to music. At some point I even took it out from my ears and I was like just talking with my mom, and the moment I decided, oh, you know what, let me go and get ready, let me go and shower, hop in the shower, I kept looking around and I was like, hold on, my earphone case is nowhere to be found. And then I started turning over like my room, my mom's room, because I went there to get something earlier and I thought, you know what, I dropped it there or something. And then I was just turning over everywhere that I had been since I entered the house, couldn't find it, and then I realized that I left it on the bike machine in the gym. I literally had to go back to get it. I just got back in and it was just such an annoying task. My fault, I can't blame anyone else, it was my fault. I tried using the bicycle, not for the first time, but I tried to make it like my main source of cardio today, just trying to see how it feels. Honestly, I didn't really like it. It felt weird because I felt like I was too low, and then I would adjust the seat and I felt like I was too high, so it's kind of strange. But I remember placing my earphone case in one of the compartments where you could like place your phone, or if you have like something like a towel or anything, and I placed it on the machine, and then I got down from there and I went to do my normal cardio on the treadmill, and I literally left the gym and then came back home before realizing my mistake. So I had to go back. I took the bus, went back. When I was in the gym, I was checking for buses to get back home, but it was strange. There was one in 12 minutes and then it was not saying anymore, and then it jumped to 28 minutes, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to spend some time in Superdrug or M&S because I'm so hungry, I need food. Didn't end up going to M&S, literally went to Superdrug, but just some things like 2 deodorants and press-on nails for my video today because I really want my nails to look good. They were kind of destroyed from the gel nails that I had on, so I've just been going between press-ons and letting them regrow back. Point is, I barely spent 5 minutes there because I knew what I wanted. I didn't go browsing. I didn't even want deodorants, but I was like, you know what, let's just get some because you can never have too much. And stepped out of the store, checked, bus that disappeared showed you, and before I got to the bus stop it was gone, so I had to walk home. I've basically done a lot today and it's just afternoon. It's like past 12. I am so tired and I feel like I'm already done with today, But we move, so I'm going to go shower now and get ready to film my makeup video, because that is the most important thing that I have to do today, and I have to make sure that, and I want to make sure that I really do it today. Nothing's going to stop me. So yeah, that's my little story time. And it's crazy because I really wanted to take a bag today, but I wasn't going to buy anything. I wasn't going to carry anything. So I was like, let me not take a bag. And because I didn't take a bag, this is what it costs me. TFL had a fun day with my car today. Let me go and shower, and I'll see you guys when I'm done filming the makeup video. Hi, so I've literally been stalling for the last 2 hours or so because I have an HelloFresh delivery coming, and my mom just told me that it's arrived, so I'm quickly just going to go and pick it up from where they delivered it. Long time no see. This is literally the first time I'm picking up the camera to vlog in so long. I've got these 2 parcels that I'm about to go and drop off at the post office, and then I'll come back home. And I didn't go to the gym today. Yesterday I went. So today my plan is, you know what, I'm not going to say my plan. I'm actually just going to do it because I find out that sometimes I just ramble and end up not doing it. So we're just going to see what I get done today. But first agenda of the day is dropping off these parcels. So let's go. So I've had a really long day. After I came back from the post office, I made chicken the way I would make my minced beef for burger bowls. So I made a burger bowl, but I didn't use any sweet potatoes this time. I just used the meat, and then I had it with lettuce, tomato. But I didn't film anything because I had to also make fried rice, and I know I've shown you guys like how I make my fried rice before now. So I already have a tutorial on how to make fried rice the way I do in one of my vlogs. So it would usually be in a video with the fried rice on the thumbnail. If you're interested, go to my channel and just look for it. If I remember when I'm editing this video, I would put it in the description. Literally finished cooking like less than an hour ago, and I washed my hair in the shower to prepare for work because I'm going to be working for the next 3 days, and I didn't want like anything in my way, so got that out of the way. And now I'm just going to eat my last cookie from the ones I made yesterday. So this is how it looks. It's really huge. I made them like huge because I wanted that like New York style kind of cookies, and to be fair, this is the first time I'm making it. It's not so pretty, but it actually tastes really good. It doesn't taste like preservative, it doesn't taste like anything, it just tastes like what I think a real cookie should taste like. And I also added walnuts for extra texture and flavor, and Next time I make these, I would film how I do it, but I didn't want to stress myself into like filming a whole cookie tutorial and everything, but I'm definitely going to make these again. I've been so busy all day, I just really need to relax. So I'm going to eat my cookies, edit videos that I need to get up, and I will see you guys in my next video.